Hello everyone, just a quick update. The lad's going back Sunday, so we're just having a couple of days with him. So this is just an update to let you know. And it's also his birthday in 2 weeks, which he's not going to be here. So we've just come out for a bite to eat. Going to do it on personal sort of thing, if you get what I mean. Just for us. We've gone to Toluca again. It was lovely last time. And I didn't want to go anywhere where was weren't very good, so I know this was nice, so we've come here. Yeah, so that's all it is really. I might show you a few little pictures here and there, or a few quick video or something, but it's just personal, just to let you know in case you don't see the upload for a couple of days. And then he was back Sunday, and we're going to vlog the day up there, taking him up and stopping off at the services and all that stuff Sunday. So in case you're wondering where I've gone, that's where we've gone. Food. I've had quesadillas, sides, Nat's had tacos, lads had quesadillas, and we've all had a beer, haven't we, Bab?
Yep, one.
We've all had a beer, look. Only the one. Chicken wings and pork bellies. Absolutely stuffed now. Belly's really full. That Toluca's is really good, and for the price in the daytime, it's amazing what you get. So I wasn't recording a lot, just private for Sally's, that's all. But so I'm going to be going, taking him back Sunday, and doing I'm going to vlog the day, because we're leaving a bit later, so it'll be light time, so I'll be able to do a bit of a vlog as well. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know where we'll be for a couple of days, so in case you're wondering, spend a bit of time with the lad, that's all. Anyway, see you later, bye bye.